I almost got it, just a little faster.
To the park or the store, tell me more. Oh,
Wow,
na, na.
look how high you can fly. Oh no, my kite. You saw it? Where did it go?
I saw it. It flew towards the Whispering Woods. Follow me.
This place is so magical.
Hurry! This way, before we lose it.
There it is, but it's so high up.
Don't worry, I'm a great climber.
We did it! You're safe now!
See? I told you we could get it. Even when things get lost, a little help makes everything better. And a friend is the best help of all.